Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing new Lenovo laptop. This is 2-in-1 with the Ultra 7 core processor with the 1 TB hard drive and 32 gig of RAM. And it is a touchscreen 2-in-1. I will be showing you how is the laptop looking from inside and what all the great feature it has. This is the high-end model and the price at the moment it is 2,499 Australian dollar in different stores in Australia. So let me show you what's inside the box, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the YouTube channel, and if you have any question about this laptop, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. Let's go. So let me show you how good is the Lenovo Yoga laptop. So let me open up that. So let me show you inside. So this is the Lenovo laptop. Let me take out. So this is the laptop. So this is a laptop Lenovo. And this has some instruction booklet and so this is the Type-C charger, and this is the power adapter cable, and plus what is this? Let's see. Yeah, this is the pen, and because the laptop is touchscreen, so you can sign any document or any other things, so it will be very handy for that way. So this is the beautiful laptop. On the left side I will be showing you here. So it has, this is the audio jack, and this is the Type-C, and there is a HDMI point. So, and on the right side, so this is the power button, and this is the microSD card reader, and this is the Type-C, and this is the USB point. And on the top, this is the top, and let's see on the bottom, this is the laptop, and it's very light, and it is 2-in-1. So this is the 14 inches laptop 2-in-1 touchscreen, and it comes with the pen, so you can sign any document if you have to sign anything. So it is very helpful that way, and you can close it and you can use as a tablet or iPad Pro, something like that, so which is quite useful. So let's turn it on. This is the night view of the laptop with the lights in the keypad. So I'm going to set up and I will show you the laptop once I complete the setup. So I am completing the initial setup. A bit of updates are taking time. So again getting some update and it is downloading that. So a bit of time it is taking, but it is okay for the first time. So one of the cool feature of this laptop is that it has CoPilot key, which means you can instantly connect to the AI. So see, this is the key. I will show you. This is the key for AI. So you can instantly connect to the AI. So this laptop has cool feature of this pen. So if you need to write down anything, signature or any fill up the form, then you can do that. So with the pen you can do multiple things. You can write down the things and let's say you have to highlight, take the snip or something, or you have to sign, then you just sign. So that way this feature will be very helpful. So this laptop has CoPilot AI and this is the button. I will press that, see what will happen. So this will be open. So this is the CoPilot Chat GPT. So you can ask any question here. See, my question is best places to see in Gold Coast. So I click that and I will be getting a quick answer. So let's see. See, this is the result from AI. So if you are heading to Gold Coast, you are in for a treat, and this is the places it has suggested. So that is the way this Copilot will be helping you with the Chat GPT. So this is the Lenovo Yoga 7i laptop and I have used now for 1 week, and I will show you some minor things which I notice and which they can improve that. So the first one is they provide this iPen, so you can write down those things and all that. But in the Yoga Evo model they provide this kind of things. So this is the pen holder. It's a plastic one, so you can insert that in the USB slot. I will show you. On the side you can insert that. So and once it goes, and then you can insert the pen. So that way the good thing is you don't misplace the pen. So I'm using the one from the Yoga Evo model, but maybe it is not a right size. This is very loose. So but they should provide the similar thing here. So that is the one thing which I notice. The second thing which I notice in this laptop is see this one on the right side. The first button is a power button and the next button is a microSD card slot. So both things are very close to each other. So I have this micro SD card, so which I am putting up in the slot. So you have to press inside with some sharp object or either with your nails. So now I have put up the SD card inside. Now let me tell you the problem actually, because both buttons are next to each other. So when you are working on the laptop and you press like this to take out the card, so you accidentally press the power off button. So which is bit of annoying things, you know. So they should either move the SD card either at the bottom, or either they can move to the left side. So that I suggest for Lenovo. Otherwise it's a beautiful machine and it can solve all your issues, and you can work comfortably on this machine. ये मशीन को कर ले ठीक है. I hope guys you like this video. This is the 2-in-1 touchscreen laptop, and if you have any question about this laptop, please put it in the comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. See you in another unboxing video.